Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video will feature my design ideas for 2 troll beads bracelets featuring the Honey Dawn, Florence, Milan, and Heart Chakra Beads, which are all made of glass. Let's take a close-up look at the beads. This is the Honey Dawn bead. This bead really is like sunlight. It's a beautiful light golden color with hints of a light iridescent blue color that you can see at certain angles. When I saw it in person, I immediately thought it would pair very nicely with the Florence bead. This beautiful bead is textured, it's green, with shades of yellow and a few flecks of brown. This bead is the Milan bead, and it feels very much like a sister bead, right, to the Florence bead. It has the same texture, and it also has these flecks of yellow, some blue, some green here and there. This is the Heart Chakra Bead, which is a vivid green with a ribbon of 22 karat gold running around the entire bead. It really is lovely. For this design, I also will use some silver beads. This is the Vision of Light bead. It's very narrow. And this is the Lucky Knot bead. The oxidation makes the design really stand out. Okay, so I plan to put the first design on this twisted silver bangle. I already have a spacer on this bangle. So let's assemble. I think the first thing we'll put on is the Lucky Knot. And then we'll put the Honey Dawn bead and the Florence bead right next to it. One of the Vision of Light beads. The chakra bead. Another Honey Dawn bead. Another knot. And a final spacer. And there is bracelet number 1. I love the way the greens complement each other, and the way the Honey Dawn and that golden ribbon complement each other. That's a lovely bracelet. Alright, so to put together the next bracelet, I need to take this bracelet apart. So, take off the beads, place them right here. Okay, for the second bracelet, I will use this solid silver bangle. And once again, there is a spacer already on this bracelet. So let's start again with the Lucky Knot, followed by the Honey Dawn, and then a Vision of Light bead, the Florence bead, the Milan bead, another Vision of Light bead, another Honey Dawn bead, a Lucky Knot bead, and a final stopper. And here is bracelet number 2. I like the way these two similar beads are the focal point of this bangle, and they are framed by that beautiful golden Honey Dawn bead. That's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Trollbeads Design Ideas video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.